14th. Today's November 1st. I'm gonna start like going through the cabinets, those up there, and then taking out things that like kind of decluttering. Christmas music on. Yesterday was Halloween. We went trick-or-treating and it was so fun. I'll insert some pictures here, but we just went to the neighborhood across the street from us and everyone loved her little costume. It's gonna be what we're listening to. I'm gonna use these diaper boxes. One will be for donation and one will be packing. Grocery shopping. You can't really say. But because we didn't go over our because we didn't go over our budget, we actually stayed under our budget for groceries. We're going to Chick-fil-A. Alright, so good. It's not like good. It's looking good. Alright.
Shove it in there, bro.
Oh, I went to shoes, sorry. Venimos a, ¿cómo se llama?
Venimos a ver las Catrinas, el folclore mexicano, y esta es la tradición mexicana. Period.
Y estaba bien bonito.
Bien padre.
Una niña se cayó, estaba bien cute. Yo no la miré, me dijo así todo. It's hot chocolate marshmallow. It's really cute packaging though. Let's see if I like it. I guess it's gonna snow today. I've honestly just been cleaning all day and it just feels like it looks the same. I don't think I want to get rid of anything in here. I just put her down for her nap. I'm gonna work on editing this video right now, and then once I get a little bit of that done, I'm gonna get ready for church. Little fit is weird. Oh, and I gave the dogs a bath. I don't think I mentioned that, but I gave the girls a bath. My mom made almondigas and we came after church. Oh, I'll show you what we learned in church. It was called Shield of Faith, and basically it was talking about the armor of God and how we can't have it unless we have faith. But we're on our way home now. but we went to Target and got a couple of things. So I'm gonna show y'all. So we got some blueberries, strawberries, some bread. This is what we went there for. Toilet paper, mouthwash, toothpaste, noodles, and then we also got paper towels. And then after there, I went to go thrifting with one of my friends from church. And I went there looking for stuff for the baby's room because we're moving. I got her this. It's so cute. I'll do like a close-up of it, but it's beautiful. This one, it says sisters are forever, and I love like the design. I got her this lamp. What is this cover? I don't know, but it's really cute and I really love it. And then I got my husband this sweater. It's so cute. It's very nice materials. This is what the front looks like. It's so nice. And then I got the baby a coat. She doesn't have a winter coat, and I thought this one was perfect because it's not too thick for like the car seat too. But it looks like this. It's like little polka dots, and then the inside is, and it feels like thicker. I don't know how to explain it, but I like this. And then I got her this little outfit. It's so cute. This is the top, and then these are the bottoms. So cute. It came with a matching sweater. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Are you kidding me? Look at this. That's everything that I got. I was gonna get a sweater for myself, but I didn't end up getting it. Okay, queens, so Donald just left to go to school. I started on dinner, so I made some Mexican rice. And then I made some white people enchiladas. Yum. Just waiting for that cheese to melt all the way. I made myself a coffee. So I wanted to show you this. I found it at the dumpster. It's so cute. I think it's like a little barn for like horses, but I think it's so cute for her to play with. I noticed that it's broken right here, but that's not really a big deal. But I was thinking that we could gift her for Christmas some horses, like play horses. But yeah, I'm really excited. Good morning. Today is November 6th, but I woke up at like 6:45. I was trying to wake up at like 6, but that did not work. Comb my hair, wash my face, and brush my teeth. I'm gonna put this one because I need some. Wild White Urban Bouquet, Wild Daisy Driftwood. As you can see, it is snowing. from the gym. It is 11:10 and I had breakfast. About to make a coffee right now because I'm still a little bit hungry and I know that it's gonna quench my hunger. So I'm trying this new recipe, the spaghetti squash. Okay, so today is Thursday. I think I'm gonna end off the video here. Who heard something, but I want to put on a little bit of makeup. Feeling the sparse. I'm just gonna do concealer because then it just feels like too much on my skin. I love the snow, but I'm realizing that with a toddler, it's kind of a little bit crazy because we don't have the option to go outside, and I'm kind of scared to drive because there's probably a lot of accidents. No one here is from here, so they don't know how to drive in the snow. Do y'all still use powder like in the winter time? Because I like to use powder, but it just dries my skin so bad, like right here. I do like to do a little bit because then my under eyes will crease, but I don't like to do a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put some Aquaphor on my eyelashes. I cry a lot and I rub my eyes a lot, so that's why I don't really like to wear mascara. Okay, I don't know what happened to this, but good thing I have a, what is this? Sharpener. Thank you, Suegra. Love you, Gert. I'm gonna do the Urban Bouquet Wild Daisy and Dirtwood by Pink. Thank you again, Suegra. Love you and miss you, Gert. Okay, she is very hungry, so I'm gonna... These blueberries are huge. But last night, I had made the spaghetti squash. It was really good. I really liked it. If you don't like veggies, I don't know if you'll like it. Like my sister's husband, I know he probably will not like this, but I think it's really good. Not really. So I'm gonna eat this. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Next time you see me, we will be in our new apartment. So say goodbye to this. Thank you for watching. If you would like to, you should like, comment, and subscribe. You don't really need to though. Yes, I'll see you guys next time. I can't wait to show you her room. But yeah, okay, love you.